How to add an adjustment layer in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. First, come into the project panel and then select the new item button like so, and then choose adjustment layer. This will already match the settings of your project, so just go ahead and choose OK. Next, drag the adjustment layer over the clips that you want to adjust. Once this is in your timeline, you can add any effects to this adjustment layer, and whichever clips it is over the top of, it will have that effect on those clips. Let me show you an example. So I've come into Lumetri Color here, and let's say for example if I want to turn my clips black and white, I can click the adjustment layer and then bring the saturation all the way down to take the color out of my clips. But this hasn't just affected this one clip, it's affected any clip that is covered by the adjustment layer. So if I remove this adjustment layer from both of these clips, we can see this first clip is black and white and this second clip is now color. And that's all there is to it.